Sairam students, welcome back to our next session of general knowledge. Today we will start 24th lesson. First in India. First Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. First man in space, Rakesh Sharma. First satellite, Aryabhatta. First Defence Minister, Baldev Singh. First temple constructed from a single rock, Kailas Temple at Ellora. The names and their achievements will forever be etched in the history of India. Let's start our lesson. Fill in the blanks. First, Dash was the first Indian as well as the first woman to be elected President of General Assembly session of the United Nations in 1953. Answer, Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Indian diplomat and politician Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit was elected as the President of the 8th session of the United Nations General Assembly, making her the first female to hold the post, sister of the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. She also served as India's ambassador to Moscow and Washington. Second, Dash was the first Chief Election Commissioner. Answer, Sukumar Sen. Sukumar Sen was serving from 21st March 1950 to 19 December 1958. He also served as first Chief Election Commissioner in Sudan. He was among the first recipients of the Indian civilian honor of Padma Bhushan. Third, the first all-women police station in the country was started in Dash at Calicut, Kerala. Answer, Kozhikode. Kozhikode City Vanita Police Station is the first women police station in Asia. It was inaugurated in the coastal city of Kozhikode in the southern Indian state of Kerala in 1973 by then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Srimati M. Padmini Amma was the first sub-inspector of this police station. Fourth, Dash was the first Prime Minister to resign from office following a split in the Janata Party in 1979. Answer, Morarji Desai. He was an Indian independence activist and served between 1977 and 1979 as the fourth Prime Minister of India and led the government formed by the Janata Party. During his long career in politics, he held many important posts in government such as Chief Minister of Bombay State, Home Minister, Finance Minister and Second Deputy Prime Minister of India. Fifth, the first Chief Justice of India was Justice Dash. Answer, H.J. Kania. Sir Harilal Jekisudas Kania was the first Chief Justice of India. He died while serving in office in 1951. He was the Chief Justice from 1950 to 1951. Sixth, the first woman IPS officer was Dash, who joined the Indian Police Service in 1972. Answer, Kiran Bedi. She is the first female Indian Police Service officer and started her service in 1972. She remained in service for 35 years before taking voluntary retirement in 2007 as Director General Bureau of Police Research and Development. She is social activist, former tennis player and politician who is the current Lieutenant Governor of Pondicherry. 7. The first modern warship to be built in the country was the Dash commissioned in 1972. Answer, INS Nilgiri. The first modern warship to be built by the company was the Leander class frigate, INS Nilgiri. The Nilgiri was launched in October 1968 and commissioned in 1972. It was built at Mazgaon Docks Limited, Mumbai, in collaboration with Yarrow Shipbuilders, Glasgow. 8. The first pilot was the industrialist Dash, who got pilot's license in 1929. Answer, J.R.D. Tata. On February 10, 1929, India got its first pilot in Jahangir R.D. Tata, who qualified with number 1 on his flying license, giving birth to Indian aviation. Do you know, students, the first woman judicial officer was Anna Chandy, appointed Munsif in the Travancore state in 1937. This made her the first female judge in India, and in 1948 she was raised to the position of district judge. Students were completed 24th lesson. Now fun quiz time. Indian women in space. Students, which names comes in your mind? Yes, you are correct. Sirisha Bandla, Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams. Next, first India-born woman astronaut to go to space. Who is she? She is? Yes, you are right. She is Kalpana Chawla. Next, the second India-born woman to go to space and the fourth Indian ever to go past the line of space. Who is she? Yes, you are correct. She is Sunita Williams. Students, we have completed 24th lesson. We will meet again in the next session. Till then, take care. Goodbye.